In a cave in Bethlehem, the city of the prophet David, a star unlike all the others appears. A child is born of a virgin. This mystery, surpassing all understanding, is the work of God. The child is the God of the universe, the creator of the heavens and the earth, and of the first-formed people. He is the one who saved the 3 youths in the fiery furnace of Babylon. His mother, a virgin, contains the uncontainable by the power of the Holy Spirit. This was prefigured by the burning bush of old, which burned yet was not consumed. In the same manner, the Virgin contains God, yet is not consumed by the fire of the Godhead. On this quiet night, we contemplate the incarnation of the Logos, the Son of God, who comes as a simple babe in a manger, for the redemption of our souls.